Imagine you've just spent $1,000 printing new menus for your restaurant. A customer sits down, goes to scan it. Instead of your menu, they get a subscription expired page. You've fallen into the freemium trap. A lot of tools promise free QR generation, but they hold your links hostage behind sudden monthly fees or harvest your data every time a code is rendered. You're stuck choosing between paying a premium or sacrificing your privacy. That's where AI Toolbox BD's free QR code generator comes in. It's built specifically to give you permanent, professional-grade codes without the catch. A QR code is only as useful as its long-term reliability. When you tie your printed physical assets to a cloud-based freemium model, you put that reliability in the hands of a company looking for reasons to charge you. The core difference with AI Toolbox BD is its architecture. It functions as a privacy-first, local browser utility powered by the QRCode.js version 1 engine. This diagram illustrates client-side processing. Enter a URL, and rendering happens entirely within your browser's memory. The data never leaves your device. Now compare that to a standard generator. Your input transits the internet to a remote server, where your private details are logged externally. By following this guide, you will learn to produce customized, branded, and permanent QR codes in under 5 seconds. The tool requires no user accounts, no payments, and no software installations. You can begin generating assets immediately upon loading the page. Because the generator runs on your own device, your personal network credentials and contact information are never exposed to third-party surveillance. Running locally doesn't limit your options either. The engine supports 7 distinct offline-ready formats: URLs, plain text, pre-filled emails, direct phone calls, SMS messages, Wi-Fi network credentials, and full vCard contact records. This interface features 7 distinct selection tabs. Each tab is configured to encode specific data formats directly into the QR pattern. The URL tab handles web addresses. For the best results, use shortened links to create a simpler pixel pattern that cameras can resolve more quickly. The text, email, phone, and SMS formats work entirely offline. When scanned, they prompt the smartphone to open its native communication apps without visiting a website. The Wi-Fi tab encodes your network SSID and password. Modern Android and iOS devices recognize this data and offer to join the network automatically. The vCard option generates a digital business card. Scanning this code allows a user to save your full contact details to their phone with one tap. Since the generation happens locally, sensitive information like Wi-Fi passwords or private phone numbers never leaves your device during the encoding process. Utilizing these specific data types allows the QR code to trigger immediate offline actions the moment it is scanned by a mobile device. By cutting the remote server entirely out of the rendering loop, you guarantee absolute control over your information. The tool delivers the code, but it never sees your data. A QR code is only effective if a smartphone camera can accurately distinguish the individual modules in the pattern. To ensure readability, you must maintain high contrast. The pattern should always be significantly darker than the background it sits on. This diagram compares high contrast and low contrast yellow grids, highlighting where sensors fail. Physical size is the second factor. Use 256 pixels for digital and 512 pixels for print to maintain clarity at a minimum 2 cm size. Respecting these optical requirements prevents the most common scanning failures and ensures your codes work across different camera qualities and lighting conditions. The generator uses ISO standard error correction levels, L, M, Q, and H. These settings determine how much of the code can be damaged while remaining functional. This diagram illustrates level H error correction. Even with 30% of the pattern blocked out, the device still reconstructs the data. The tool uses this redundancy to enable brand watermarking, allowing you to place lows directly over the modules. You can choose from 3 styles: a center badge for logos, a corner stamp for clean layouts, or a diagonal fade overlay. When you enter a brand name for a watermark, the tool automatically locks the error correction to level H. This ensures the code remains scannable despite the visual obstruction. This automated redundancy allows you to customize the appearance of the code without breaking the mathematical integrity required for a successful scan. Once you have entered your data and selected your style, click Generate to save your high-resolution PNG file. You can test the code immediately by pointing a smartphone camera at your screen to trigger the contact save or Wi-Fi login prompt. Because this file contains the data directly, it will scan correctly a decade from now without any external maintenance. Let's look at this comparison matrix to see exactly how A-Toolbox BD stacks up against its major competitors across cost, privacy, expiry, and analytics. We are comparing it against standard cloud tools like QR Code Monkey and dynamic services like Bitly. Starting with cloud-based generators, they give you the image you need, but because they process inputs remotely, they earn a failing grade in data privacy. Your pre-release marketing links and private Wi-Fi passwords risk being logged on their servers. Dynamic services take a different approach. They route all traffic through a middleman link, which gives them a passing grade for scan analytics. But that data comes at a heavy price, reflected in their failing marks for cost and expiry. The specific danger of a dynamic service is lock-in. The moment you cancel your $15 a month subscription, the middleman link dies, and every physical flyer or business card you've ever printed breaks instantly. AI Toolbox BD encodes your data directly into the static image pattern itself. There is no middleman. That earns it perfect marks for cost, privacy, and permanence. But notice the analytics row is completely empty. This is the central trade-off you have to accept. You give up the ability to track how many people scanned your code, and in return, you get absolute privacy, zero fees, and an asset that works forever. Dynamic QR services act as middlemen, routing your traffic through remote servers that can track your location or revoke access. A-Toolbox BD uses a client-side architecture, where local JavaScript renders the image inside your browser's memory. No data is uploaded to a server. This creates a static code that functions permanently. There is no redirect link to fail and no subscription required to keep the code active. Browser-side generation is the only way to guarantee both absolute data privacy and a code that works as long as the image exists. Let's look at a few practical scenarios. For small business owners, every code you export is fully cleared for commercial use with zero daily caps. For event organizers printing physical banners, static encoding means a code printed today will still route to your website a decade from now. And for privacy professionals handling sensitive details, local browser rendering makes this tool completely safe to use, even on a disconnected, air-gapped machine. By removing the remote server from the entire equation, AI Toolbox BD successfully eliminates the highest points of friction for business, event, and security workflows. Your decision comes down to what you actually need the code to do. If your primary goal is to track scan metrics or frequently update the destination link on an existing print, you have to accept the trade-off and pay for a premium subscription service. However, if you prioritize permanence, absolute data privacy, and zero cost, AI Toolbox BD is the definitive choice. Click the link in the description to open the AI Toolbox BD QR code generator and start building your own permanent assets immediately by visiting aitoolboxbd.com. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more definitive, no-nonsense breakdowns of the tools you use every day. True digital ownership means controlling your own data. Utilizing locally generated static codes is the most reliable way to achieve that standard.